Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about requesting verification on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram profile and select the hamburger icon in the top right. Then you want to scroll down here and go underneath where it says for professionals and select account type and tools. Select the request verification button, and then you just would walk through the on-screen prompts of going ahead and confirming your identity and notability and so forth. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.